On a Tuesday, 911 received multiple calls about a crying dog. These are the events that followed.
Hey, Pop. Pop, you okay? You okay? Hey, Pop, 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 Pop. Hey. Come on. Hey, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, Pop. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. All right, well. Okay. Okay. Will, you good? Okay. Okay. Willie. That's him. Put him in the car. Yeah. Three boys. Be advised, we got the dog out of the water. 1C2 in Lakeview. Okay, Bob. Okay. Okay. Is there a towel? You alright? Yeah, you're a beast. I can't feel anything. Okay. Okay, Bob. Bless the heat.
Then the police officers took him to the vet, where he was treated, and in a couple of hours, he was healthy and happy again. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you liked the video.